Now, these eukaryotic cells are of two types, right? One is, this is a cell, this is a cell, right? So this is called, this we call cell membrane. Cell membrane made of glucoprotein. Semi-permeable, right? separates cytoplasm with nucleus. Cytoplasm with surroundings. This is cell membrane. Inside cell membrane, there is this is we called jelly-like structure, jelly-like substance, which offer medium to cell organelles. Cell organelles, jelly-like structure which offer medium to cell organelles, right? And there is a nucleus. Inside this, there is a nucleus. This we call nucleus. In nucleus, this is, we have nuclear membrane. Right? It is also semi-permeable. Right? There is nucleolus. This is we call nucleolus. Manufacturing of ribosomes. Ribosomes, right? Then we have, this is what we have. This we have nucleoplasm. Right? This is, we have nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm plasm, right? Also for medium, right? And at the time of cell division, they have chromatin threads. Chromatin threads.
Chromatin threads and fiber are same?
No. Chromatin threads are genetic material. जब सेल डिवीजन के समय में न्यूक्लियस में क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड्स होते हैं. Normally it is called nucleoplasm, right? They all together.
Same book is written chromatin fibers.
हाँ?
Book is written chromatin threads.
हाँ, क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड्स, क्रोमेटिन वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. This is we call jelly like substance called cytoplasm. Right? अब इसके अंदर क्या होता है? You have this we called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Right? Then we have here lysosomes. These are lysosomes, right? Digestive enzyme, right? And they are also having mitochondria. They have mitochondria. Right, there are Golgi bodies. This is called Golgi body, Golgi bodies, right? This is we called
nucleoplasm. After that, what is it in?
it is inside this nuclear membrane.
There, that nucleoplasm which you made.
न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म का न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म
लाइसोसोम के नीचे.
हाँ न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म ऑफर्स मीडियम ना क्या दिक्कत है उसमें These are Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, right? अब इस एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पे अगर यहां पे राइबोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट, ये अगर राइबोसोम्स हैं तो इसको बोलेंगे रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. आर से रफ, ई से एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. एंड दिस इज सिंस देयर इज नो मतलब राइबोसोम्स आर दे नो राइबोसोम्स so smooth ER एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. ये रफ हो गई, ये स्मूथ हो गया, ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हो गया, राइट? एंड this is basically a plant cell. This is what I am talking about. It is an animal cell. Animal cell. So that's why it is having vacuoles. Vacuoles are very small or not absent. Vacuoles small or absent at maturity. Absent at maturity. ठीक है? The vacuoles are not there in animal cells. So this is a typical diagram of
Animal cell.
a animal cell.
Completed.
Right? Yeah?
It is completed, sir.
Huh?
The diagram is completed.
Huh? All the major parts we have discussed. ठीक है? Right? This is animal cell. This endoplasmic reticulum is for intracellular endoplasmic reticulum is for intracellular transportation of fluids, minerals. right? This is called endoplasmic reticulum, right? Ribosomes, these are ribosomes. Ribosomes are for protein synthesis. Ribosomes are for protein synthesis.
So R is full form.
Huh?
Then what is the full form of RER?
अबे बोला था रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. Ribosomes are for protein synthesis. Right. This is we have. So this is this all the major characteristics of a animal cell. Right. Those structures I shown here in animal cell, that I will not repeat in plant cell. I will only show those organelles. They, this mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, they all are present in plant cell also. But I will not show there. We will discuss about major organs which are not present in, say, endoplasmic reticulum. We will not discuss. It is also there. But I'll only discuss those organelles of plant cell which are not in animal cell. Right? Otherwise, all these organelles, what we have in an animal cell, all these organelles are present in plant cell also. But some more things are present in plant cells, except animal cells. Okay? Should I rub this? Remaining things are same. Now, this was animal cell, and now we are going to talk about plant cell. You know, in a plant cell, there is a मैंने ऐसे शेप बना दिया है. It's not necessary कि ऐसी हो, right? This is what? This we called cell wall. Cell wall made of cellulose, right? Inside that there is cell membrane. There is a cell membrane. So first difference in plant cell is having cell wall, and animal cell is not having cell wall. Right? They have, a large vacuole. They have large vacuole. Which have cell sap. Means excess, right, waste, all they contain in cell sap. This is large. This cell wall helps to give a proper shape. Right? This vacuole also help in that. This also help in that. There is same type of nucleus is there. There is no issue. There is a nucleus. There is nuclear membrane, nucleolus, right? All the things we have. This is nuclear membrane. This is nucleolus. This is nucleoplasm. This all together known as nucleus. Nucleus controls cell function. Right? Otherwise they have endoplasmic reticulum. All the things are there except these few things. Vacuole is not there, cell wall is not there, right? And there is presence of we have cytoplasm, right? All organelles are present there. This is we call cytoplasm. We have chlorophyll. Sorry, we have chloroplast here. We have chloroplast. These are known as chloroplast. Right? यहाँ पे there is thylakoids, and and they are many thylakoids is known as grana, and this matrix part is known as what? Grana, thylakoid, or forget. Matrix part of chloroplast is known as, okay, this is chloroplast for photosynthesis. Right? So these are the differences in plant cells remaining as of animal cell. Remaining all as animal cell. Means mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, all these are present except these.
So what is smooth endoplasmic reticulum?
हाँ?
What is smooth endoplasmic reticulum?
थप्पड़ खाना है, पिछले में बोल चुका हूं. जब राइबोसोम्स आर नॉट देयर, मैं तुमको लिखाया था डायग्राम में, जब मालूम मिस होते रहे तो मैंने बोला था कि स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम उसको बोलते हैं जब उसमें राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं वॉल के ऊपर. देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है, वो डायग्राम बना होगा क्लोरोप्लास्ट का, उसमें देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है। क्लोरोप्लास्ट का अभी इधर नहीं बना होगा
आगे।
हाँ, कुछ लिखा है? एकदम दिमाग से उतर गया, इतने हाँ याद ही नहीं आ रहा है। स्ट्रोमा, स्ट्रोमा, मैट्रिक्स पार्ट को बोलते हैं स्ट्रोमा। नाम ही नहीं याद आ रहा था। स्ट्रोमा, दिस इज स्टोमा, इट इज ग्रेना एंड दिस इज थैलाकॉइड्स, राइट। बंडल से स्ट्रक्चर होता है। इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ए क्लोरोप्लास्ट लाइक दिस, right, this is, so there are many like coin like structure like this, like this, like this, like this. They are attached to this. This is this, 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 this is attached to this, this and this. They are known as thylakoids. Thylakoids. The thylakoids all together, this bundle is known as grana. Grana. And this matrix part is known as stroma. Stroma. This matrix part is known as stroma, and this is a chloroplast. Chloroplast. And inside these thylakoids there is chlorophyll. 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 Green pigment. Green pigment. Right? This is we have about chloroplast. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
This is a typical plant cell. मैंने ये भी लिखा है कि इसमें ये नहीं मैंने कहा कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं होता है, मैंने एक लाइन लिखी है, रिमेनिंग ऑल एज एनिमल सेल, रिमेनिंग ऑल एज इन एनिमल सेल। ये मेजर डिफरेंसेस हैं। वैक्यूल बड़ी है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट है, सेल वॉल है, राइट। तो दीज आर द मेजर डिफरेंसेस, बाकी तो सब है ही है उसमें, राइट। ऑल वी हैव इन एन एनिमल सेल। Okay. We have animal cell. Now one major thing is left, that is we have that we call, what we call that? Difference between difference between plant cell and animal cell, right? So we write here plant cell and here I write animal cell. Fine. We should write like this. Now, first difference, cell wall, no cell wall. Right. Vacuoles, no vacuoles, if present, disappear at maturity. Then we have chloroplast, no chloroplast. एनिमल सेल में नो क्लोरोप्लास्ट. And lastly we have centrosome. For cell division. Right? And no centrosome. You get this? This is all about this much. This thing you have to remember. This will definitely ask. Difference in plant and animal cell. Difference in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Right? These things you should remember. It will definitely ask to you. Out of these two, one definitely will come. And picture of one cell, this you make. Okay? So thank you for today.